Today we are going to see how to schedule a meeting or how to create a meeting with the help of Google Meet. Now we are having a 7 IDs. With the help of that IDs only we are going to log in and create the meeting. We can't create a meeting with our own ID. For that we need a purchased one. So we are having that 7. You just go and start to this Meet app. Once you click on this Meet app, can you see the 3 lines over here? Click on the 3 lines. Once you click on the 3 lines, here you can see the ID which you are using right now. So here I am using the session 1. If you want to go for the another ID, you just click on this arrow which is shown here. Click on that arrow. You can see the IDs here, which ID you want. So here you just go to add another account. When you are going to add another account, you just have to put your email ID here, and this email ID should be the session ID in which session you want to log in. Put the session ID, then go to the next, put your password, and then you get logged in to the session IDs. Fine. This you have to do 2-3 minutes before your class will start. Fine. So as soon as you get into that ID, you just go to that ID, and now can you see the home screen of the Meet app? See here, new meeting button is there. Just click on that new meeting button. Once you click on that new meeting button, automatically meeting gets started. Fine. So from here you just click on this share button. When you see the share button, you can share it through the contacts which you are having. Now I'm sharing with this person. Just share it, and once you have shared it, anybody can go and see the things. See, once again I'm showing it was not clear. See, now you can see. Click on this share. Click on the share button. Once you click on the share button, you just go to this, and here you want to paste. You just click on this button. Click on this button. This link is shared to your respective group that you want. Okay, now I have sent this link for the trial purpose, and now to join, everyone know how to join. The student just have to click and they can access the meeting through their own IDs. Fine. With the help of this, we can do it very easily. Now we just go to Meet app. Now remember this thing. Once you have shared, close the thing and start your meeting. Okay, at the time of meeting, please don't click on these buttons, back buttons, what you call. Don't click on the back button. You want to go for multi window. That means you have to click on this button if you want to start something else. So in between the lectures, if you get terminated with the meeting, schedule it again and tell the students that they should connect the new ID which should be created. So it like in a Zoom app, it was the same ID will remain. So you tell your students before within the first 2 lectures only, you have to remind the students that they should not get connected to that same one. The new one you should send and tell the students to connect to that ID. Okay, because if you get disconnected, that doesn't mean the whole meeting or session will get stopped. So for that purpose, you have to tell the students before, as soon as you start the session from tomorrow, so that they will get habitual for these things. As soon as the teacher, by mistakenly, if the teacher will disconnect it, then the teacher should create the meeting again and create the link also. Fine. Once you share the link, or in between if you want to share the link, you just click on this I and go for the share. Fine. Second things, this is your screen. Now as I am a host, I can see this screen. Now from here, see these 3 dots. You can see these 3 dots. You can see these 3 dots. Click on that 3 dots. With the help of that 3 dots, you can get this option: turn on the caption, switch the camera, or present the screen. This present screen option today itself I shown to everyone. Start presenting then it is start now. Once you start now, whatever you can see, whatever you are having on your screen, that all the things will get shared. So no need to share any other thing, no need to share of document, no need of anything. Just go to your documents which you are having, just go here. I am going here, that lesson plan I am going, you can see these things. So with the help of this share, we can share any of the material which is there in a Meet. Fine. Once you have finished with the thing, click on the stop presenting. Once you click on the stop presenting, you can see this thing. You can go get back to the original window. And anything else to explain? Here the chat things are there. So if you want to put any words like the Marathi, Hindi, or English teachers, they may have a clear pronunciation or a word. They can show it from here. Fine, they can type it here and they can show it. Fine. So here are some facilities. You can mute the students. Now I don't have any of the participant right now, but you have the when the meeting is conducted, you